Hugo Calderano is using Xiam equipment. He is sponsored by Xiam. Hugo Calderano has made history by winning the men's singles title at the 2025 ITTF World Cup. Hugo Calderano equipment 2025 at the WTTC Finals Doha 2025, Hugo Calderano won the silver medal. At the WTTC Finals Doha 2025, Hugo Calderano is using the Xiam equipments. He is sponsored by Xiam. Source Xiam Blade, Xiam Hugo Hal. Forehand rubber, J and HC55, Xiam Jekyll and Hyde C55. Backhand rubber, J and HC55, Xiam Jekyll and Hyde C55. You can see that he is using Xiam Blade here. To find the equipment of any player, just search on Google. For example, Hugo Calderano equipment PingSunday.
Hi, I'm Hugo Calderano, and this is the racket I use. So it's the Hugo Hal. It's my signature blade with two Jekyll and Hyde rubbers, 55 degrees. I think the blade gives me a lot of control, but at the same time gives me some power to be able to play my game. And the sticky rubbers and the quite hard rubbers help me play well from close to the table as well as far from the table. I think the most important in a racket is that you feel good with it. I think you can take some time to choose your own blade, and if you happen to choose my blade, I think you probably need some time to adapt to it, but I think once you feel good with it, you really enjoy it, and I think it's especially good for offensive players and players who like to play at mid-distance.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.